Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Figma's auto layout feature in 2025, specifically focusing on how to set up an auto layout grid with an image and text. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize and fine-tune elements so your designs look neat, adaptable, and super professional, whether you're working on a sleek app interface or just trying to level up your prototyping workflow. Let's jump right in. First up, go ahead and open Figma. Now, if you're brand new or haven't used it in a while, you can get started easily by heading to Figma.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, create a new file or pick an existing one where you want to give auto layout a try. I always think it's helpful to start with a blank canvas when you're learning something new, just so you can see what each action does. Alright, next, we're going to add the two pieces of content we want to play with, an image and some text. You can drag any image onto your canvas, maybe your company logo or a quick placeholder from your downloads folder. Then add your text by grabbing the text tool, just like you would in any standard design program, and type in whatever label, heading, or description you'd like to see next to the image. This could be your name, a product title, or simply "Hello World." The beauty of Figma is that you can go back and change both of these items at any time, so don't worry about making your text perfect on your first try. Once you have both your image and text on the canvas, take a second to arrange them roughly where you'd like them to be aligned. They don't have to be perfectly lined up. Auto layout is about to do that work for you. So click and drag with your mouse to select both the image and the text at the same time. You can also hold Shift and click each item if they're not right next to each other. You'll notice that when both are selected, a new set of options appears on the right-hand menu. Right over there, just beside the area where you normally see your regular layout settings, there's a button that says Use Auto Layout. Now here, where the magic happens. Go ahead and hit that Use Auto Layout button. The moment you click it, Figma instantly wraps your selected elements in an auto layout frame. What this means is that Figma will automatically organize your image and text side by side or stacked, depending on what fits your design's intent. And even better, whenever you decide to change the size of the text or swap out the picture, everything will remain aligned. The spacing will stay tidy and you don't have to manually nudge things around. It's kind of like putting your content into a smart container that always knows how to keep things looking consistent. If you're feeling curious, you can play with the settings in the right-hand panel, adjusting the direction, space between items, or even adding padding. But honestly, with just a few clicks, you've already unlocked one of the biggest time savers in Figma, and that's it. You've just added auto layout to your content in Figma 2025. Whether you're building a card component, a nav bar, or a dynamic button, auto layout will keep your designs responsive and clean. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more simple, practical design tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.